number 1, Roman number 1, 25 degree. Solution. We know pi equal to 180 degree. कभी touching होगा pi equal to 180 degree. 90 degree plus pi by 2 को सोनो मटेरे. क्या? Radian measure. Formula ना दे रहे formula नो. Radian measure equal to 180 by 180 pi by 180. Pi by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure. बताएं क्या? Equal to pi by 180 लो मटेरे into degree value का 25 जी 25 प्लस 5 5 या 25 5 3 या 15 5 3 15 या 3 या 5 6 या 30 36. So now here height pi by 36. So when question define नहीं मार क्या degree pen radian measurements लाना को लाभांगे 25 degree में किलो we know pi equal to 180 degree. So radian measure equal to pi by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure value like equal to 25. तो 25 value put लो. इनके ला denominator पे numerator का cancel लो. 5 5 by 25. इनके 180 बच गया. 5 3 या 15 but 15 deduct 3 लो. 3 पे 0 30 लो. इनके 5 3 या 30. So answer ला लो kita radian answer लो. Next number 2. Roman number 2 के minus I will drop okay. Number 2 के minus 47 degree 30 minutes. सॉल्व मत गए क्या लगा solution minus 47 degree 30 minute दे 30 minute लो क्या minus 47 degree 30 by 60 क्वेश्चन थी 60 की बांग लो लगे मिनट पेन degree convert to sin 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Then sin 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Last 30 minute for degree convert to put it divide by 60. Hello, इनके कौन पॉइंट क्या cancel देखो 30 by 60 के 1 by 2 को मत दे तो minus 47 degree 1 by 2 दे क्या so value प्लस ना fraction ये है fraction पर to multiply को 47 into 2 को उनके plus 1 है 7 to ये 14 को plus 1 के 5 1 डॉलर 4 to ये 8 9 95 minus 95 by 2 ना डिग्री लो दे ला 47 degree 30 minute पर तंग the degree converter pangrum to la minute pata degree converted and minus 95 degree by 2 okay we know now radian measure equal to pi by formula is same 180. So directly value put it for into 95 degree by 2. Okay. Next 50 law 5 can cancel po 5 1 ja 5 5 9 ja 45 okay double ga 5 5 3 ja 15 5 6 ja 30 de cancel dilo laga 36 into 2 actually prime number bana lo it simply over equal to 19 pi by 6 to the 12 1 6 to the 12 1 there 3 to the 6 7 72 radian and so check lang lang po chok ni chok chine yes enter correct. Next question number 3, Roman number 3. Roman number 3 क्या 240 degree. Roman number 3 240 degree. We know fire equal to 180 degree. So radian measure बोलते किलो लगे pi by 180 formula लड़े लगे 180 degree into direct value put fit for 240 normal today तो 0 cancel for and get 218 day and get लगेंगे 202 12 day. The 3 can go cancel to 9 there. 3 3 and 9 3 4 12. So here 4 pi into 4 क्या 4 pi a day. And it can get by 3 and follow that. And the next number 4 क्या बुझी मबुझी क्या और systematic के लपन बोलो formula लगा बांगे क्वेश्चन सी लगी चीज़ है माला क्या radian measure equal to pi by 4 into degree measure. Degree measure bang ito kete lo kita me direct value put filo kita me lang formula lo direct value put filo 240 and 0 la 0 and 0 cancel lo and get 2 can common and 2 12 is 24 and get over 2 9 is 18 okay 9 3 can common 3 can hand bilang menjadi 6 3 and 9 3 4 12 lo okay multiply lo pi into 4 ke 4 pi lo and 3 bang multiply thai belum ready tapi 3 lo lah answer radian nah jadi number 4 adalah 520 degree betul we know pi equal to 180 degree pi equal to 180 mega chini udah inga radian measure kilo 180 dah bang ni formula top 180 kilo pi by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure lo mati deh. Lalu kita pi by 180. तो हम क्या multiply degree measure value kan lo 520. 520 0 last को cancel को again 2 9 18 दे 2 2 या 4 2 6 या 12 again kalau 3 ये लोग लगे 2 2 या 4 26 cancel कर लो 26 pi चौवन है तो कैंसिल ले लो मुझे 26 pi by 9 radian number 1 का लो next get number 2 मुझे मौजूद जेमा लता repeat लो फॉर्म संख्या लो लता we know pi equal to 180 degree radian equal radian measure radian find with the law pi by 28 into degree measure. Degree measure कौन लो देखा 520. लालो 5 degree measure value की कितना तंग मारा सिला तो value देख पुट देता. तब 0 ठान लो. Denominator पे numerator लो denominator लो 0 cancel लो 2 by common and 26. 2 by common. ini lo 9 lo mati deh 9 lo ke 26 then 9 ke thanu ilu mati deh nasi apa mati kau lo 9 pi into 26 get 26 pi by 9 radian. Question number 2 11 by 16 11 by 16 solution 11 by 16 ready lage pi value क्या 22 by 70 use ना for क्या lage radian बसी degree convert आप कौन हो क्या degree बसी radian में ready non lang लगे radian बसी degree convert ना for no degree measure oh we know तो क्या हमने we know pi equal to 180 degree नाल में डे डायरेक्ट है degree measure ते डबल कोसलो कमो पदम उल्टा की सपोर्ट जरा radian measure r lo into pi by 180 lo mati d into d suppose la radian measure lo la degree measure lo utte non bang kya pamu ke radian measure si final mati d la pulo non la degree measure mati d ha utte latum punang to fit lo utte latum manga punang to fit lo utte 180 by pi bang pu next again r into pi 180 by pi bang pu so na chota fit pu denominator la equation है पर के denominator के numerator लो numerator का denominator से ना कौन सा 180 by pi po into radian measure को मत दे राजा ते 180 by pi value कौन लो radian measure के 16 by 11 by 16 there 11 by 16 lo ये कौन को 4 just 16 को मत दे मुझे लगा बन गया 4 just 16 को दे 4 just 16 को 45 को मत दे तो समझी वांगला लगा 4 16 that to lang when 0 get 20 lo 2 4 5 get 20 so 45 into 11 by pi value large ko na bang kya pi equal to 22 by 7 mat di sin pi equal to 22 by 7 now see 22 by 7 into 4 okay next step क्या ये लोग मत लातो स्टेप है ना बड़े को 45 into 11 by into 7 को ना पे वहाँ को नंखान को into 4 denominator मत दी first के numerator denominator मत दी ला सोलाइन पर अपने आप हम क्या denominator की अपने को denominator numerator ला के numerator लो denominator मत दी ला बाकी numerator Berarti la numerator kan numerator के multiply को लासे सादा angpon pon होगा okay 11 1 11 11 2 22 चलो बो okay next क्या 45 into 7 कौन को 45 into 7 बटे 5 7 to 35 3 d 5 7 to 35 3 4 7 7 3 times 14 8 28 29 30 31 3 15 को मत दी 315 po 315 by 4 to the 8 को मत दे और the next step क्या 180 can divide होता है 1 को 180 divided by 8 होता है 8 to just 16 for 16 18 minus 16 क्या 2 पर 0 by 20 8 to just 16 for 4 के रिमाइंडर मत दे see 39 degree plus 22 minute plus next get 4 and 8 मत दे 4 into 60 पूरा second में नोट होगा second 4 only 4 कली 8 ठीक है next step के लो divide ना multiply को 4 into 4 6 है 24 60 into 4 to 40 by 8 we gone for 8 4 number 8 8 3 जा 8 30 जा क्या 8 into 30 ये कौन पर 240 minus okay 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 30 second what है कौन होगा तो ये 39 degree 22 minute 30 second question number 2 Roman number 2 minus 4 solution we know pi equal to 180 degree hello क्या degree measure equal to 180 by pi into radian measure बताएंगे 180 by pi into radian value कौन -4 बता next क्या next step के कौन होगा then multiply the कौन पर 0 4 is 0 4 is 32 2 3 1 4 4 7 minus 7 20 by pi इंगेला pi value कौन पर minus 7 20 minus 720 into 7 by 22 sin pi equal to 22 by 7 देखो सुनो ला 22 ला 7 को ना पे वांग ला pi value 22 by 7 मत दे दरो 22 by 7 को मत दे 22 by 7 ओने नेक्स्ट स्टेप हम बट पाठीपन है लो 22 by 7 लगे डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर मत दे लगे न्यूमरेटर लो ला नेक्स्ट लाइन में लगे डिनोमिनेटर मत दे न्यूमरेटर तो न्यूमरेटर के मल्टीप्लाई को मत दे राशि लगन कैंसिल पावर देते आंसर पन डेटा डायरेक्ट so 720 into 7 how much 720 into 7 0 7 0 70 40 1 70 40 7 9 50 what is it 50 40 5040 by 22 and क्या next step के pillar divide number करो divide क्या 5040 divided by 22 into 1 22 into 22 क्या sorry 2 क्या 44 का नंबर क्या ले लो so here 50 minus 44 6 4 1 को लो 4 सुन लो The next count for 22 into 22 120. So 44 0 4 is 2. English so 0 deduction for 200. 22 into 9. 2 9 is 18. 1 dollar 2 9 is 18 19. So 2 at per. Now sida bangi color 229 degree plus. Remainder color 2 by 22. 2 by 22 into 60. Dabang 11 pick up dabang to 1. Cancel pro la 2 and 22 made so 1 by 11 dalo. And can next ako divide to 60 divided by 11. 60 divided by 11. 60 11 11 6 60 11 5 jo 55 to made 11 6 jo 66 dalo 11 5 55 but 1 lo 5 at pro. So the next step 2290 plus 5 degree when made. So 5 minutes 5 minutes plus the remainder color 5 by 11. 5 by 11. Next step of divide to or multiply to second round bange. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. The next step क्या 5 into 60 क्या 300. 300 लो divided by 11. Okay, कौन पा 11 4 जा 40 11 2 जा 22. 22 के कौन पा 80. 11 7 जा 77. Or 30. Like continuously 27.4 and I'm going to directly 2290 plus 5 minutes plus 27 minutes. Sorry, 27 minutes. Two equal to 229 degree 5 minutes 27 second. अच्छा लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या आंसर आप अनुंग बंची मिला ले चोट थे सीता में एक्चुअली लड़ा आंसर बंग लास्ट मिस्टेक चोट के अटे मोपन की सोल अंतु मनन थे दोनों लास्ट टाइम बंची सोल पम पुरे लो रिमाइंडर 0.27 वानी 27 तनी after sorry decimal after decimal point by answer to 0.27 mate according to rounding figure less than 5 mate see cancel for lo see the manga 229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds use chalo ni da bange. Okay, now next question Roman number 3. Roman number 3. Roman number 3 है तो लो Roman number 3 जो 5 pi by 3. We know 5 pi pi equal to 180 degree. Pi equal to 180 degree. Ada time क्या pi equal to 180 degree. I equal to 180 degree. Degree measure equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Radian measure. And here 180 bang 180 dolo. Pi value का pi put लो into radian value golo 5 pi by 3 like denominator like numerator so cancel this 2 pi क्या 3 का cancel for 3 1 ja 3 3 6 ja 18 na daga 64 3 63 ja 180 होते daga कौन पहुंच गया 6 5 30 300 degree 300 degree. Answer check lang na. Yes, correct. 300 degree. Me po ha. 300 degree. Buji jilang ma ha. Look, given question lo, we know pi equal to 180 degree. Degree measure equal to 180 by pi into radian measure lo pa formula lo. Enke 180 ke da formula lo madam didi like put lo pi to pi lo. Enke radian measure ke lo value radian value na kilo ma didi lo 5 pi by 3. So pi numerator lo denominator lo isi 7 ma didi isi 7 ta cancel lo abidel lo. Enke 3 pen la cancel lo 3 1 3 3 into 60 ke 180 lo. 60 into 5 ke 300 degree. Radian pen degree convert as degree lo. Next question 10 lo lapenta. Next question ke 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 ke 180 ladakra pulo we know pi equal to 180 degree. Degree measure equal to 180 by pi into radian measure madidi inke daga 180 by pi into radian value ko kan lo 7 pi by 6 plot pi cancel pro lo inke 6 1 6 3 30 ko madidi 6 1 6 6 3 18 0 0 lo madidi 6 30 jo 180 inke 30 pi or pi avilo 30 degree vet triangle or 30 into 7 equal to 0 7 is 0 7 3 21 210 degree on hello answer. Question number 3 ke law of revolution, number of revolution by wheel in 1 minute equal to 360 revolution. Okay, number of revolution by wheel in 1 second equal to 360 by 60 the question is pothe in 1 minute lote 360 time matede enke 1 minute per 1 second second convert is 60 second matede lase 360 divided by 60 lo lote na divided lo bote 6 with enke next ke isi circle lo ekta wheel lo dela wheel lo enke one angle lo boda pen starting from here. So angle pen ada angle ke 360 lo matede 360 pe 180 into 2 lote 360 lo matede 360 inke 180 ke pi matede pi into 2 bate kan lo 360 lo matede lota ade pi into 2 ke 2 pi equal to 360 degree lo matede. Okay, we know one revolution equal to 360 degree equal to 2 pi ne 2 pi lo inka therefore the question ta therefore the total radian turn in 1 second. So 1 second equal to 1 second equal to count for 2 pi into 6. Pull it count for 12 pi. And hello answer. At number of revolution by wheel in 1 minute ke 360 lode. Then aparte number of revolution by wheel in 1 second. Bote 1 second 1 minute second convert bote 1 second convert bote minute divided by 1 be 1 boke second converted at 60. That is 360 divided by 60 bote 6 factor. Bote we know 1 revolution equal to 360 degree. There 360 degree mate the whole 1 revolution ke equal to 2 pi. Therefore the total radian turn in 1 second equal to 2 pi into 6 bote 12 pi. And hello next question ko sound record clear. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. Use pi equal to 22 cm. Given length of arc L equal to 22 cm and radius R equal to 100 cm. The theta equal to question mark radian. Theta equal to question mark radian. Okay. So we know theta equal to L by R. Okay, theta equal to L by R, but you know L get 22 by 11. Sorry, not 11. 22 by 100. 22 by 100. The theta equal to 22 cancel होते गनो 11 by 50. 11 by 50. Then 11 by 50 no matter day. But radian value wrong. Then we have to convert it degree matter day. So we know again pi equal to 180 degree. Pi equal to 180 degree matter day. And degree measure equal to degree measure क्या pi by 180 degree bo into radian के कौन 11 by 50 नोटे कौन po डिग्री मेजर क्या 180 by pi दे बोलते 0 कैंसिल इनके mana tu kan 18 into 11 by 22 by 7 pot bang ke dak 7 dak multiply in that pot into 5 there total sin pi equal to 22 by 7 okay next क्या 22 by 1800 po 211 ja inge 29 ja ote 11 by 11 cancel kon pong gya 9 7 ja 7 9 63 63 by 5 or divide per equal to nalo mate di enke divide per 63 divided by 5 kote kon po 5 1 ja 5 the 1 3 5 2 ja 10 but 3 hat po de ore daga equal to 12 degree plus remainder of 3 long already 3 by 5 into minute lo already 60 the 5 lo 5 lo in next ke ako find to for 3 6 18 180 3 into 60 ke 180 by 5 what again po 5 3 ya 15 de 5 3 ya 15 it is 30 5 6 ya 30 I will make equal to 12 degree plus 36 minutes so therefore equal to 12 degree 36 minute hello answer question number 5 के question आता है बोलते इसी सर्कल ला diameter ला एंके ला chord bang 20 meter nang pilo 20 centimeter length nang pilo question lo mate एंके join ला so line na de join lo zero lage 20 lo de the 40 cm mate de lage diameter polo इनके diameter जंग से 40 बटे radius से कौन पो radius को 40 divided by 2 बटे 20 पो 20 cm radius 20 cm एंगे लापुटे ला radius का मरे 20 cm all sides are equal बटे पिलो लगा equilateral triangle so here is 60 degree after 60 degree अटे people 60 समान लालो equilateral triangle के side jong se homan la aplo bolote 60 lo at total sum of the angle of triangle ke kon lo 180 degree de la bolote ke non da tum ke theta value lo lo 60 degree and ke radius kon lo radius of value lo 20 cm de 20 cm and ke theta equal to 60 बटे pi by 3 का चौबो pi by 3 का लो मत दे ने बकला को 60 degree एंके suppose 60 degree लो मत दे होते 180 degree पेन 60 पलाम पन कौन लो divide by 3 को मत दे 3 0 0 3 6 18 चलो गो so 180 के pi लो then 3 so pi by 3 equal to 60 there इनका we know theta equal to L by R so L equal to therefore L equal to theta into R so L equal to pi by 3 into 20 so L equal to 20 pi by 3 lano answer buji ma buji jema answer ho pi pini 1 lo lalo mate dia theta equal to 60 degree equal to pi by 3 equal to lapen la homan lo ada 60 degree per pi by 3 ta 60 degree value lo enga r value gal radius lo mate di radius 20 lase r equal to 20 cm so we know theta equal to L by R so L equal to theta into R so L equal to pi by 3 into 20 so L equal to 20 pi by 3 answer learn hello question number 6 for think question of think बोलते दुईटा सर्कल दलो एंगे ला सेंटर लो एंगे इसी बंग के 60 डिग्री लबंग 60 डिग्री कंसीडर लो एंगे ला इसी बंग के 75 डिग्री ला पाथे मुचो ला पेन मोटे ला पाथे चलो 75 डिग्री लबंग 60 डिग्री ठीक है let R1 and R2 be the radius of the two circles. Radius of the two circles. Okay. Therefore, theta 1 equal to pi by theta 1 equal to degree 60. See degree put pi by 180 into 60 degree. The compo 0 0 cancel. 6 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. Pi by 3. Hello, what did you? Okay, next theta 2. Theta 2 equal to 75 degree equal to compo pi by 180 into 75. What do you compo? 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Putting it up, 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. 5 6 is 30. Day. Therefore, 3 number. 3 5 is 15. 3 12 is 36. So here you get 5 into pi ke 5 pi by 12. Okay. Now let L be the length of each arc. Then L equal to R1 theta 1 and equal to R2 theta 2. Okay. R1 value विजन में दे R1 value बोलो theta 1 value की कौन लो pi by 3 R1 into pi by 3 equal to R2 into pi by 5 pi by 12. Hello. Okay, next line. La R bang pupadam jipo. R bang pupabang jipo la pi by 3 bang pupadam jipo. So R1 by R2 equal to 5 pi by 3 or 5 by 12 divided by pi by 3. Okay, equal to R1 by R2. R1 by R2 equal to 5 pi by 12 into लड़ा के divide पर मत denominator तुमके divide मत दे जब से multiply के लालो बता denominator आरुम बरबांग 3 क्या लाबांग के pi langsung perbang arum dampo langsung dampo pada dampo pi cancel equal to R1 by R2 equal to 15 by 12. Therefore R1 is to R2 equal to 15 is to 12. Lalu answer. Question number 7 क्या pendulum पर so pendulum pendulum ला so घुरी लो ओला डालो पता लाची जो पता डाल बांग पो लाची के कौन बांग पो पता लगे radius पर टेंगलो triangle में मथा डाउन लगा लगे मत दी डाक आल ग्रुप pada bang ke lage radius pulo circle lo mate ingate lage radius lo mate di so r radius length radius kon lo 75 cm samari de inke length ke question lo mai pila ke roman number 1 ke 10 cm mate di lake l value lo l equal to 10 cm theta value ke take find number so we know theta equal to L by R. De. So theta equal to L by R. L kono 10 by 75. 10 by 75 te theta kono. Kono longpo. So 10 divided by 75. So lo 5 to 10. So 5 under 5. 5 3 15. 2 by 3. De. 2 by 3 kono answer ke. 2 by 15 होगा 2 by 15 आंसर चुके ना हम 2 by 15 अटे तो 10 by 75 बोलो 5 2 जा 10 5 1 जा 5 इंगे दा 2 डोलांग बोले 25 po so 5 5 जा 25 so therefore theta equal to 2 by 15 बुझी लो मा ते ला clock लो pendulum लो मरी ला ची युग डोमटे दे गरु ला support ची radius bang nang pilo 75 cm okay length bang ke number 1 nang pilo 10 la so angle kon si doima final पर so angle kon lo tote la bang ke 12 by kon radian ma da final पर so radian ke kon lo 2 by 15 there question 2 by 15 bang lo we know theta equal to L by R so theta equal to 10 by 75 10 by 75 lo 5 and 98 में today let's say 10 5 2 just 10 5 15 just 75 so 2 by 15 अब कब तक lesson लो next क्या कौन लो 15 L equal to 15 cm theta equal to question mark so theta equal to L के 15 7 R के 75 so theta equal to कौन पो 5 3 15 कौन लो 5 15 जा पोंगे दे पता 3 1 जा 3 3 5 15 नदा बंके 1 by 5 बुझिलो म बुझि जलंग म 3 5 sorry 5 3 या 15 हमरे दे के 5 15 जा 75 हमरे दे 3 and 15 ना थांबे हमरे दे so 3 1 जा 3 3 5 15 so 1 by 5 under question number Roman number 3 amut labang tulo next number Roman number 3 ka kono 21 here we know theta equal to L by R so theta equal to 75 so 21 by 75 what 3 7 ja 21 3 15 ja amar de lage than elo gadi ha 7 by 15 and hello